Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add a soundboard on your Discord server. So this is your Discord server, this is how it should look like. And from here now, type in or rather click on the top section or the name of your Discord server. Click on that drop down icon and you should see server settings. So click on server settings and you'll arrive on this landing page. So on the left sections, look for soundboard, like so, and simply upload the sound. Click on that one and you'll choose a file from your PC. So I'm gonna click on browse right there. I'm gonna look for my download section, this one right here. And as you can see right there, it has those decibels or lines wherein you can adjust the specific part of the sound that you want to capture. So for example, this one right here, I'm satisfied with this one. You can play it and have a preview of the sound. And after that being said, click the sound in, let's just say swoosh or whoosh, and then input a related emoji. So for example, you have your frequently used, your emoji of your server. These are the basic emojis, so choose a specific one that you like. For example, I'm gonna choose this heart eyes and then adjust the volume right here and basically click on upload. Once uploaded, you'll see the soundboard on the server by clicking on this. So let me just escape this. Now I'm inside my soundboard now. To enable that one, join a voice channel first. So like so right there, I am inside the voice channel. So from here now, you should see a soundboard on this option. Okay, let me just click that one. I basically click something. So I'm back on my tutorial. Now that being said, this is the soundboard option. Click on it and you'll see the tutorial, or rather the sound that we just made, the whoosh right there. You can add a soundboard or rather sound in this option also by clicking this add sound. Just an additional information for you guys, so click on this one and repeat the process we did earlier. And with that being said, that is how you add a soundboard on your Discord server. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.